Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube Faceless Blueprint family. I am very happy that you decided to join and that you are seeing this video. I am very much looking forward to making you the next success story. But before I do that, I want to welcome you to the family and I want to thank you guys for trusting me with your money, your time and especially your knowledge. My one question to you is, whenever you join the course, please send a message to my WhatsApp which you can find below this video. And introduce yourself, tell me anything, your name, your age and what your goal is with YouTube, so that this way I can keep you guys accountable and of course keep you guys motivated. The most important thing is your consistent focus on your own videos and making them better. You want your new video to be better than your previous video, at least 1% every single time. And if you consistently focus on that, you will be our next big success story. Now, I want to take a minute to explain to you guys how this program will work. As you can see, as soon as you enroll, you get full access to all of the lessons we have so far. But this is not all. On the left side of your screen, you will be able to see a suggestions tab. In this tab, you can throw any question, any request you guys have for me, and I will proceed to make a new video as soon as possible. And at last, we have the WhatsApp channel, which again you can find in the left side of your screen, which I recommend all of you guys join. In this channel, I will be updating you guys every time a new lesson is added, or even if we ever get a guest to come and host a free webinar for you guys. There is also a feedback group in this WhatsApp channel which you guys can use to send your videos and packaging to get feedback from me and from the rest of the community. My one request is that you're positive with each other. You can give feedback, but please not in a negative way. So, I hope you guys enjoy the course. I wish you the best of luck and of course, hard work, because we don't want to see you quitting. I look forward to it and I'll see you guys in the next video.